Can you give us some examples, Ron, of some of the vehicles that the mechanics are running into problems when it comes time to choosing lubricants now?
If I were to point to petrol engines in particular, over the last few decades, there's been a big emphasis on making them smaller, making them lighter, making them more fuel efficient, while also reducing exhaust emissions and increasing power and torque. Okay,
The Holy Grail.
it is the Holy Grail, absolutely. But when you combine a configuration like that with turbocharging and direct injection systems, it's enabled manufacturers to create incredibly small yet really powerful engines. Okay, however, this has led to a rise in a situation called LSPI, and as the name suggests, LSPI is actually low speed pre-ignition.
Right.
Okay.
Yes.
So,
because I got the pre-ignition from the old school days of it pinging its head off.
correct. Yeah, absolutely. Yep.
Low speed.
Yep. So, as the name suggests, it's pre-ignition or an uncontrolled combustion
Right.
at low speeds, but high load applications.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm following that.
So, the driver will, when this occurs, the driver will actually notice a knocking noise coming from the engine. Okay. Now, LSPI can cause severe damage to an engine. Okay. This includes damaged spark plugs and cracked pistons.
Is that because the motor's not working in what we call the sweet spot it's supposed to be in?
Yeah, that is a contributing factor. As I mentioned, engine design is one of the main factors for LSPI. However, some other contributing factors include fuel quality.
Oh, okay, yes.
As well as the lubricant selection as well.
Right.
Lubricant is actually critical. So when the lubricant enters the combustion chamber, it mixes with the fuel.
Yep.
And actually can promote...
Make it worse.
Spontaneous
If you
combustion.
get it wrong.
Yeah. So the wrong lubricant will only make it worse. Absolutely. So it's very important, once again, that when you're actually selecting a lubricant, that you're adhering to OEM specifications, especially when that vehicle is prone to LSPI.